5 more minutes. Day 1.
So here's the video of my mom actually doing the 5-minute meditation. She thought it would be interesting just to see how often she moved or opened her eyes or had to reposition herself. Afterwards, she reflected to her partner that in the future, she thought it would be better for her to do some yoga or maybe a Sufi grind or a body scan because it took her a long time to realize that her back was actually hurting in the position she chose. Once she realized that, this is what she said next.
And that makes me think, oh man, it's going to take longer than 5 minutes in the morning? Come on, I got up earlier in the morning. Why do I have to do yoga too? Don't make me do it. The reluctant yogini. Yeah. But I did it. We did it. Day 1. Woo! Now on to our day. Yeah.